Hello, I'm Laura Brand, author of The Joy Journal. I'm going to show you a really easy craft that you can do using what you have. So we're going to make a pressed flower lantern using jars like these ones, a little bit of twine, homemade glaze, which is flour and water with a pinch of salt. You want to use a flower press. Make your own with cardboard or one that you might already have. But today I've made my own quick and easy flower press by getting a pile of very heavy books and pressing some flowers right at the very bottom on a piece of kitchen towel. So you don't want very, very bulky flowers, you want thin grasses. Lavender works really, really well if you do press it. So using our book method, if you press all the flowers for about an hour, you will flatten them just a little bit, enough to start to stick them on. So let's get making. I'm going to first of all get a paintbrush and I'm going to put a little bit of my homemade glaze onto this. We're going to press our flattened flowers onto here, and you can put a little bit over the top as well. Once you get into the flow of it, you start to find your creativity naturally starts to awaken, and you might even find it's quite relaxing too. It's a really, really simple craft, but brings joy, celebration and colour to your campsite or to your table setting. To finish this craft off, I'm going to add a little bit of twine tied around the top, and I'm going to let it dry for about half an hour. So there we go. We've got our very own pressed flower lanterns. I hope you enjoyed my crafty tips, but for more ways to connect to nature, head to canopyandstars.co.uk/findyourwild.